Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you missed me, I was on a little vacation and we are back and we're ready to do some great deals today. So if you're new here, be sure to click that subscribe button. I really like seeing you guys subscribe to my channel, and so we can get more excited and get more deals. And if you missed out, I did like a $19 adventure to Alabama. So going across the country from California all the way to Alabama for $19. You can watch that video if you're interested. And I'll probably alternate between like Ibotta deals and other just adventures that I'll have, just like between like I had a 2-week adventure in Alabama, so there's gonna be a lot of like, I guess it's gonna be like deals and then like a adventure vlog. So be sure to be on the lookout for that. So if you really like saving money, welcome to my channel. We like to travel and buy a lot of cheap groceries. So today we're doing a big haul. So your girl is now an icon. So this deal is honestly really good without like the icon thing, because it's like a $40 bonus. But without that, I think this was only like $5. It still ended up being free because I had like a $3 weekly bonus, and then I had another like the month one, and then I also got there was like another bonus, and so this ended up being completely free without the $40, but like it just makes it a really great deal. And now your girl's an icon. So I started with one video and then I just kept doing it and doing it and doing it, because I used to not use Ibotta, to be honest, a lot, and now I've just been using it every single week. Alright, so in this video I get a couple of different yogurts and a couple different toothpaste so you guys can stock up. But we're gonna start off with this. So this is the Febreeze Plug. So this is priced at $2.94 at Walmart. You're gonna get a $2 back on Ibotta, but you're gonna pay with a $2.94 card. I'll leave the link below in the description so you can get it yourself. It's really easy. So you'll take this product, scan it when you're done at self-checkout or when you're at the register. You're gonna click pay, and make sure you click credit or debit after you finish scanning all your items, and it's gonna give you a barcode. You're just gonna scan it and it'll take $2.94 off, making this completely free. And this is a $2 moneymaker because you're gonna get back $2 on Ibotta. Okay, so this is the next deal. This is a Febreeze salsa. It's the canned salsa, so you can get the salsa casera hot or the salsa verde mild. These are the two that are available in my store. You can see what other flavors they have, and just make sure to scan them in your app. So these are priced at 83 cents. You have $1 back on Ibotta, making these a 17-cent money maker for each one. You can redeem it up to 5 times. So I just went ahead and bought 5 of them, and that makes it an 85-cent money maker, and hopefully these are really good. You can also get the salsa that comes in the glass bottle, but you're gonna pay a little bit more for it. I think it's like $1 something. Okay, so this is the next item that I grabbed. This is the Oral-B Fresh and Clean. So they're 3-pack toothbrushes. They're priced at $1.97. There's a $2 coupon. It's actually a paper coupon. I think it's in the Unilever because that's the one that comes in everyone's mailbox. And I honestly don't get coupons unless it's those that come in the mailbox for everyone. So this is $2 off. It makes it completely free and a 3-cent money maker. Okay, so this is the next deal. So this is the Colgate Max Fresh. You can get any flavor that you want. Make sure that you get the 3 value pack. So this is priced at $5.92. You're gonna get back $5 on Ibotta, making this 92 cents. And then you're gonna get $1 back when you submit this to coupons.com, the app, and that's $1 back. So this is completely free as well, and it's an 8-cent moneymaker. The next item is another toothpaste. So this is the Crest Pro Health. Make sure it says the complete protection. And so this is priced at Walmart for $4.97. You're going to use a $2 paper coupon, the one that comes in I think the Unilever, the one that comes in your mailbox. It came in the same one as the Oral-B toothbrush one. So you're going to use that $2, and then you're going to get back $3 back on Ibotta, making this completely free and a 3-cent moneymaker. Okay, so next up we have another toothpaste. It's also in the 3 value pack. You can get any flavor that you want. I got this sparkling white mint zing. So this is Colgate. This is priced at $3.96. You're going to get back $3 on Ibotta, making this only 96 cents, which is a great deal for 3 toothpaste. Next up, we're getting the snack pack. So I got the juicy gel strawberry, but you can also get the pudding, and you can get it in any flavor that you want. I honestly thought this was a 2-pack, but I just realized that it's actually a 4-pack, and this is priced at 94 cents. You're going to get back 25 cents on Ibotta, and this is only 69 cents. And it's kind of weird how it's like jello, but it doesn't really need refrigeration to be this shape. But yeah, this is a great snack. Okay, so next item is this face wash, and I am obsessed with face wash. I love washing my face all the time, so I try to stock up on this as often as I can. So this is the Clean and Clear. This is a Morning Burst one. For some reason, this one, if you guys look for this one specifically, it's priced cheaper than like the orange morning one or the nighttime one. So this one is priced at $4.48. There was a $2 peel on this, so it was like a sticker on here that you just peel it off, and it's like a coupon. You just scan it. It's $2 off, and then Ibotta's gonna give you $1 off any Clean and Clear product you can get. Anything else, I think there's like little wipies for your face and things like that. Whatever you want to get, but I really like face wash, so I grabbed this. I'm also running low on it, so I grabbed some, and hopefully this smells really good. I don't know why this one's priced a little cheaper than the other ones, but yeah, this is only at $1.48. Okay, so the next item is perfect for breakfast. I got this Cascadian Farm Organic cereal. I got the cinnamon crunch, but you can get any flavor that you like. This looks like really good actually, and make sure that it says value size up at the top. It says on Ibotta that it's a 50% back, but it's honestly a lot more than that, because this is only priced at $4.69. You're gonna get back $3 on Ibotta, and then I had any cereal, you get 10 cents back, so that makes this only $1.59, and this is great for breakfast. And apparently has 15 grams of whole grains and 3 grams of fiber, and it's organic, so we'll try this out for the first time. The next item is the Chobani Greek yogurt. I got the blueberry one. As always, you can get any flavor that you like. This comes in a 4-pack, and so I buy these all the time. Honestly, like one of these by itself I think is like $1 something, and so this 4-pack is honestly such a great deal, and I really like eating Greek yogurt. And so this is priced at $3.22. You're gonna get back $1.50 on Ibotta, making this only $1.72, which is a great deal compared to like buying one of them. And there's honestly so many Chobani rebates right now that I think I might go back for the next deal and do one of the big yogurts or like one of the drinkable smoothies, because I actually really like eating these for breakfast. The next deal is another yogurt deal. So this is a Yoplait. You're going to get the 8-pack. So make sure you get the one that says 8 cups. And they come in different flavors. I got the one that's like the 4 strawberry and the 4 peach. You can get whatever flavor you'd like, but make sure you get the 8-pack. But they also have a deal on the 12-pack, but I just grabbed this one. So this one is priced at $3.98. You're gonna get back $1.50 on Ibotta, making this $2.48. I usually buy these all the time too, in just like the single ones that come, but these look really thick. They look a lot thicker than like they normally do. They're like in a different kind of packaging too. They're like square. And these honestly are really great for breakfast, and they're a great deal at $2.48. I think there's like 20 cents or something like that back on coupons.com, but I already used it because I buy yogurt all the time. But yeah, check out coupons.com if you want that Yoplait money back as well. Okay, so next up we're getting a Gatorade. Make sure it says 0 and it has the protein on it. Hopefully this is really good, and this is in the cool blue. This is priced at $1.78. You're gonna get back $1 on Ibotta, making this only 78 cents, which is a great price for Gatorade. Okay, so the next items that I grabbed are ones that are for any deal. So I had a 10-cent back for any rice. And so I ended up grabbing this one, but there's honestly a ton of choices. I grabbed this one because it was the cheapest. And so this one is priced at only 72 cents. You're going to get back 10 cents on Ibotta, making this 62 cents. And you get 1 pound of rice. Okay, so the next one I grabbed this small suave powder deodorant. You can grab one from the travel section. They're all priced at about 97 cents. There are, I think Dove is like $1 something for the travel ones, but I grabbed this deodorant. It was 97 cents. You get 10 cents back on Ibotta, making this only 87 cents. Okay, so for the breakdown, so this was $35.80. I got $26.65 back on Ibotta. I had a $3 bonus on Ibotta for the week. I had a 50-cent bonus for the month, and then that's a total of $5.65. Then we did a $1 back on coupons.com for the Colgate Max toothpaste, and so then our total was $4.65. And then we had the Icon bonus of $40, so that makes it a grand total of a $34.35 Moneymaker. Okay, so this week we got a ton of cheap and free stuff. So hopefully you're running to Walmart and getting a bunch of free and cheap groceries as well. And if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see next week's video. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!